Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel Excel. Today we're tackling the choose function. It picks a value from a list based on a number. Simple on its own, powerful when you combine it. 4 real examples coming up. First up, tier labels for Pokémon based on their total stats. Charizard's sitting at 534, but where does that land? Entry level? Elite? Let choose figure it out. Start with equals choose, then nest match inside. F3 is Charizard's total. Comma, then our tier breakpoints in curly braces. 0, 350, 500, 600. The one at the end tells match to find the largest value at or below our number. So 534 lands at position 3. Then choose turns that position into the actual label. Entry level, competitive, elite, legendary. Close the parentheses, hit enter. Charizard comes back as elite. No nested ifs, no messy logic, just choose doing the work for you. Use this anywhere you need to convert a number into a category. Next example, a dynamic battle strategy based on Charizard's strongest stat. We want to know whether to play defense, lean on speed, or go all in on attack. Type equals choose. Inside the index, we nest match with max. Max pulls the highest value from G3 to J3. That's Charizard's HP, attack, defense, and speed. Then match finds where that max value sits in the same range. 0 at the end for an exact match. That gives us a position. Then choose returns the matching strategy. HP strategy, attack strategy, defense strategy, speed strategy. Enter. Charizard's highest stat is attack at 84, so we get attack strategy back. Now let's classify Pokémon by type. Single type or dual type. Some Pokémon have one type, like Pikachu, electric. Others have two, like Charizard, fire and flying, separated by a comma. We can detect this with choose. Type equals choose, then 1 plus is number, then search for a comma inside D3. If search finds a comma, isNumber returns true, which Excel treats as 1. Add 1, you get 2. No comma, you get 1. Then choose picks the label, single type specialist or dual type specialist. Charizard has fire, comma, flying, so we get dual type specialist. Last example, is this Pokémon's attack above or below the group average? We use the same trick. Type equals choose, then 1, plus, H3 greater than average of H3 to H10. If Charizard's attack beats the group average, that comparison returns true, which Excel treats as 1. Add 1, you get 2. If it falls below, you get 1. Then choose picks the label, below average attack or above average attack. Charizard's attack is 84. The group average is around 66, so we get above average attack back. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your choose formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.